parts that I got. I came in, so one new grip. Oh, this is my dog, by the way. He's gonna join us, so don't mind him. One grip for the left side, and this is the throttle body and the tube. So also a new grip. I got a tappet cover for the bottom because my stupid head broke the other one. I think it's, I don't know what it's called. I don't know. Anyway. And then the throttle cable. It's pretty cool. It's blue, so get your ball. Okay, Dozer. His name's Dozer, by the way. Oh, alright, lay down. They're kicking my tools everywhere. Boom. If anyone I know needs a new grip, just tell me and I'll give this to you, so. Dozer! This guy just tried to eat a bee. Oh my god, stop. Jesus. Dozer, don't do that again. There we go. Alright guys, so this is the big time where I might be able to actually ride this thing, so yeah. Wish me luck. See if I can get this thing. Oh, I don't even have a freaking chain on there. Oh my god, I'm mental.